Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And today I have a box opening. This is to kind of kick off my, I've been doing little kickoffs for my birthday that's in August. And I've just been buying things that suit my fancy. And this is another one of those quirky little things about Tammy that she likes to dip into every now and again. It's not a doll, but it's related into that field. And I saw it. I thought, hey, I gotta go for it. And it wasn't a whole lot of money, but anyways, that doesn't matter. When you like something no matter what the money is. But anyhow, here it is. I'm opening it up now. I haven't seen it. Oh, I only saw it on eBay where I got it from. So here it is. And he's an oldie. He's an old Knickerbocker monkey. Oh my goodness, he's gorgeous, but he needs some cleaning up. Oh my goodness. Now look at that face. What can you say? I got a name. I'm just about ready to call him, but I'm going to hold back right now. I'll introduce his name when I come back. I want to run it by my husband, but yeah, he's going to need some cleaning up. I've been looking at how to clean these types of little furry animals. Anyways, he's a Knickerbocker. Now, what I've learned about Knickerbocker is that the label that's in the middle of the chest will tell you a lot about him. And this label came out about 1920s. But it doesn't mean this is a 1920 monkey. By no means, that's not what I'm saying. The label came out in 1920 and was used up to 1940. And then there was a change in the label. There were 3 different labels for Knickerbocker that I know about. There was one that came out the 1920s to about the late 1949, I would say. Then there was one that came out in the 1950s to 1960s. Then there was another one, 1960s and on. They changed the area. The old ones were in the seams, and the newer ones went to the bottom of the animal, or whatever you were buying, the stuffed animal. I'll turn it to the other side. Animals of distinction, made in the USA, and then on this side it says Knickerbocker Toys, New York. But also here it's also saying it looks like a little colonial man, and it's supposed to be something about the material was made, a disinfectant type of material. I forget what it says there, but anyways, oh, he's cute. I have a name for him, but I don't want to give it away. I want to clean him up and then reintroduce him to you with his name. I hope you enjoy him. There are some more packages coming in that in the next little while you'll see. So this is a kickoff to my birthday. I got a few more coming in, so there's something big coming in too. I've only shared it with one other person.
I don't remember buying you this for your birthday.
No, you didn't. I did.
Oh. That's the way it works.
That's how it goes. But anyways, you were sleeping at the time, so I didn't want to disturb you. You know, and that's what a good wife does. You know, when her man is sleeping, leave him be and just do the buying. There you go. But anyways, but there's just something about him that I got a good name for him. But anyways, we'll leave it at that. I don't want to give it away. But anyways, I'll come back with some more on him, and I hope you enjoy him. I'll turn him around. Let you see. Oh, he's got a nice little tail there, a little flat tail. But anyways, there is a way of cleaning him, and I'm going to show you how I do it. But oh yeah, he's gorgeous. Oh yeah, but he's been in a dirty place. He feels dirty even to the hands. I can feel it in my hands. But a way of cleaning him up for sure there is. So anyways, he's got a cloth face. This is not rubber by no means. This is cloth. Actual material face. Just a little bit more firmer than the fur itself.
Oh, it looks like rubber in the camera.
No, not even rubber. It's not rubber at all. It is cloth. Take your one hand. I'll hold the camera. Just take your hand. I'll bring it up to you. Feel his face. It's cloth.
Oh, yeah.
It's cloth.
Right.
It is not a rubber face at all.
And the ears?
Are felt.
Oh, yeah. That's cloth.
Yeah, but his face is actual cloth. So he's an older monkey, but oh, he's gorgeous. I just love him. Oh, I can't help it. I don't want to see his name. So anyways, let's end it here. And I'll be coming back with him cleaned up and with his name. And we'll welcome him into the nursery. Okay, have a great day and finish off your week great. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us.